In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account in Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to the official website, which is deriv.com. On the homepage, I want you to click the Open an Account and then click the Sign Up button. You will be asked to enter your email address, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, your Facebook, even with your Apple, and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, check your inbox for a verification email from Deriv. Open it and click the Continue to set up or the verification link, because this step confirms that your email is active, and boom, just like that, you have been forwarded to your Deriv account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can create your account here in Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.